Before you apply for a cruise ship job, I want you to listen very carefully. Hi everyone, this is Tintin. Every year, many people dream of working on board. They see the beautiful ships, they hear about the salary, free food, free accommodation, and the opportunity to travel around the world. But because many people are desperate to get hired, scammers take advantage of that dream. They promise a guaranteed job, they promise a fast deployment, they ask for money, and sometimes after you pay, they disappear. So in this video, I will share with you how to avoid scams when applying for a cruise ship job, from choosing an agency, dealing with training centers, and doing your medical. Because your dream to work on board is possible, but you need to apply the right way. First, be careful with guaranteed job promises. First, let's talk about one of the biggest red flags. If someone tells you, "Sir, ma'am, guaranteed ka, magbayad ka lang and you will join the ship," please be careful. No legitimate recruiter can guarantee your employment without completing the proper process. Why? Because cruise companies have their own standards. You still need to pass interview, assessment, background checking, document verification, medical examination, and company approval. Even if an agency helps you, they cannot simply put you on board without the cruise line approval. So when you hear words like 100% sure, no interview needed, pay today, join next month, that should make you think twice. Second, how to check if an agency is legit. Now, let's talk about agencies. A lot of applicants ask me, how do I know if this agency is real? First, check their background. Do they have a physical office? A legitimate agency should have a proper location where applicants can visit. Be careful with people who only communicate through Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and random accounts, especially if they don't provide official information. Second, check if they have proper registration and authorization. Do your research before submitting your documents. Remember, your passport, Siemens book, certificates, and personal information are important. Don't just send your documents to anyone online. Third, be careful with payments. One of the biggest questions I always receive is it normal to pay money when applying? The answer is, it depends on what payment is for. There are legitimate expenses in the application process like government documents, training, medical examination, certificates, and other requirements. But be careful if someone is asking for a very large amount of money just to secure a possession. Always ask, what exactly am I paying for? Ask for official receipt, breakdown of fees, explanation of the payment. Never be embarrassed to ask questions. It is your hard-earned money. Fourth, don't trust random job offers online. Another common scam is random messages. Example, congratulations, you are selected for a cruise ship possession, but you never applied. Be careful. A real recruitment process normally starts because you submitted an application. Scammers sometimes use cruise ship names and logos to look professional. They can even create fake documents. So always verify through official channels. Fifth, training center scam. Now let's talk about training. Many people think I need to take all training first before I can apply. But be careful. Some people will tell you, pay this amount first, then we will guarantee your cruise ship job. That is a warning sign. Training is important. As a seafarer, you need proper certificates and knowledge, especially about safety. But always ask, is this training required for my possession? Is this recognized? Is this accepted by the company? Don't just enroll because someone told you. Research first. 6. Medical scams. Next is medical. Your medical fitness is very important because you will be working in a ship environment. But remember, medical is usually done through approved clinics. Be careful with people saying, do your medical now, pay me, and I will process your job. A medical result does not automatically mean you are hired. You still need the proper hiring process. Also, don't try to hide medical condition or fake results. Working on board requires you to be physically and mentally prepared because the job can be challenging. 7. Be careful with fake contracts. Another thing you need to check is your contract. Some scammers create fake contracts with cruise ship logos. Before signing anything, read carefully. Check company name, position, salary, contract duration, and terms and condition. If something feels wrong, ask question. A real contract should be clear. 8. Don't rush your application. I understand. When you really want to work on board, sometimes you feel pressured. You see other people joining ships and you think, maybe I'm behind. But rushing can lead you to mistakes. A legitimate application may take weeks or months. The process is not always fast because companies need to make sure you are qualified. Patience is a part of becoming a seafarer. Remember this before you apply. Before you give money or documents, remember this. Number 1, research first. Number 2, never believe guaranteed job promises. Number 3, ask for official receipts and documents. Number 4, don't submit your personal information to random people. Number 5, your dream job is important, but protecting yourself is also important. So if you're planning to work on a cruise ship, don't only prepare your resume. Prepare yourself by learning the correct process because scammers are looking for people who are desperate. But smart applicants do their research. I hope this video helps you avoid losing your money and helps you get closer to your cruise ship dream the right way. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who's always planning to apply on board. And comment below your questions about cruise ship application, and I'll see you on the next one.